Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 22.04. First open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.45. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the 22.04. If you are unable to find the version, click on Archives. There you will find all older versions. Once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 490 megabytes. And it is star file. Once download complete, then we will untap the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.45 Debian packages. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.45 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-accept MySQL. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill. Enter file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. But before installing them, install following packages. Sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Hit enter. Use the tab and come to work and hit enter. Now we have to select the authentication plugins. See here we have these. First one is the strong password encryption and second one is the legacy authentication method. Whatever you want you can select. Then come to work and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Sorry, it is MySQL. See, MySQL Server is active and running and it is enabled. It is started 39 seconds ago. Qt Ctrl-A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.45. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, you got the same. Okay. Ctrl-A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database. Now go to this database. Then verify list of tables. See, you don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL-new username is David-p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So this is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.45. We can also verify the currently logged in user by running the command select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 22.04. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server stopped 8 seconds ago. See here, it is inactive or dead. Q took it. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Winjar DPO. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Unless these files are not required anymore, so I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.dep. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay, see, we have one more file rm MySQL, press the tab, hit enter, unless we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 22.04. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.